Hey, this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks, and when Viking Bags asked me if I was interested in doing a review of their Survival Series magnetic motorcycle tank bag, I said absolutely. If you follow the channel, you'll know I added a DR650 dual sport motorcycle last year to my garage. We own some property that's off the beaten path, and it's not something I could ride my touring motorcycle in, and I really wanted a motorcycle I could ride out there and explore and just have a good time on. And so that's what the DR650 is for. But if you're familiar with the DR650, you'll know that thing does not come with any kind of storage stock. A friend gave me a set of Tusk saddlebags that hang over the gas tank. But when Viking Bags reached out, I thought this would be a great opportunity to see if a tank bag might be a better option for me. I was immediately impressed with the construction of the bags when I took them out of the packaging. This tank bag is made of Cordura 1600D ballistic fabric, and it's pretty rigid, so it holds its shape even when it's empty, but not so rigid that it won't fold down a little bit if you apply pressure, such as when you're leaning over it on a motorcycle tank. The bag is designed with 4 flaps or wings that have magnets in them. Those are what are used to secure the bag to the tank. If you have a plastic tank, this isn't going to work for you. The bag is designed in such a way that you could tuck any one of these flaps back into the backing to keep it out of your way. For example, if the bottom flap is just going to be hanging over the seat and not doing anything to help secure the bag, you're able to tuck it back up inside the backing and keep it out of the way. The seams are double stitched and the zippers feel right. They're YKK and you don't feel like you're going to be stuck with a bag that won't zip closed in a year. This tank bag is weather resistant, but it does come with a rain cover. I tend to put anything I'm concerned about getting wet in a plastic bag or a Ziploc bag before I put it in storage, but I do appreciate the fact that it does come with a rain cover, even if I'm not going to be one that uses it. This bag also comes with an accessory shoulder strap and backpack straps that you can hook onto the bag to carry it if you're not leaving it on your motorcycle. I thought this was a neat idea. I could see going somewhere like a park, unhooking the bag, putting it over your back with the strap or shoulder, and then carrying some water or snacks in it to go hiking and have a little picnic somewhere perhaps. There is a separate pocket on the top for your phone or your GPS unit. I tested it with my phone and I found it easy to operate the phone's touchscreen while it's in this pocket. Now I don't carry a large or oversized phone, but this pocket seemed to have plenty of room to accommodate customers with larger screen phones. There's also a smaller separate pocket at one end of the bag, and it was plenty large enough to store a pair of glasses, a soft coolie cup, or maybe other smaller items like a pack of cigarettes if you're a smoker. With this bag measuring 15 inches long, 9 inches wide, and 5.5 inches high, the main compartment was big enough to store many items. I even checked to see if my kind of large first aid kit would fit in it, and it fit in there with no problem, and I had room left over for items like riding gloves and a bottle of water. I put about 200 miles down the first day I used this tank bag, and I must say I really like it. I could open the thing quickly and one-handed to get into pockets and get things out. The magnets do a great job of holding the bag in place when you're zipping down the road, even though I was only using 2 of the flaps to secure it. I also tested the bag for fit on several motorcycles, including a Harley-Davidson Dyna that my girlfriend has. The bag is large enough for my girlfriend to put her small purse in, along with other items like riding glasses, gloves, and she would not have to unbuckle her saddlebag every time she needs to store one of these items. How often do we get on our motorcycle, reach for our glasses, and realize we put them in the saddlebag? With a tank bag, it's right there in front of you, and it's very quick and easily to access. I have a buddy who rides an older Honda V65 Sabre, and he's already asked if he could test out this tank bag, as he'd like to have a little more storage on his bike as well. I think this bag is a great option for people on many styles of bikes or that don't have any built-in storage on a bike like my bagger has. Or even for riders who are just looking for a more convenient storage option that can hold their phone right there in front of them. Not everyone wants their phone mounted on the handlebars in front of them while they're riding, and this can be a great option for those people as well. If you're looking for a tank bag, I highly recommend checking out this bag and seeing if it fits your needs. Do you run a tank bag? And if so, what do you think about this bag? If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you do that YouTube thing, check out the content on my channel. And if you dig it, you can subscribe down below. Don't forget to ring that bell to be notified the next time I drop a new video. And as always, thank you for your support, stay safe, and keep on riding.